right, as we take a look from our Dakota Magic Casino weather cam live at the South Dakota border, there is some weather activity out there. Sky's a little darker. Wind has been stout throughout the region, but it's here in South Dakota where temperatures are warmest in our region today. We have some 80s there, fueling a few thunder showers. 75 in the Fargo-Moorhead area. Clear skies and winds gusting to almost 30 miles per hour. They're from the north. That's ushering in some cool and very dry air to the valley as we head into our evening hours. See the cool pool of air start to punch its way southward. 61 in Devil's Lake this hour, near 70 in Jamestown, 73 in Detroit Lakes. Make your way down to Fergus Falls and we're kissing 80 degrees. That's the same case down along the South Dakota border heading into the evening hours. Now, another look at a parameter in the atmosphere, dew point temperature. This is how cool we have to cool the air right now to actually start forming dew and clouds and things and fun stuff like that meteorologically. Air extremely dry in the Devil's Lake Basin with dew points in the 30s. That's typical of a warm winter-like day. Not a lot of moisture in the atmosphere to work with. There's much more down near the South Dakota border with dew points in the 50s, but still, that's pretty dry, all things considered. The line of thunderstorms south of Sisseton, moving out of the Aberdeen area, taking you in a little bit of closer. They're drifting off to the east at about 20 miles per hour, crossing over into parts of southwest Minnesota here in the upcoming 20 minutes. That's where our activity looks to be right now, and there's more of it farther to the south. Things are quiet and quite warm in the Twin Cities area with temperatures that approached 90 degrees today. Houston, showers into Louisiana. We do have some mid-Atlantic stormy weather and unsettled weather with some pop-up showers here and there in the northwestern portion of the United States. This evening's thunder shower chances along and south of the South Dakota border. I think even farther south than our model is painting the picture here. Where they are is where they're going to be. Where they're going is where they're moving. So it does look like the best chance will be in southern portions of Minnesota tonight and mainly south of our viewing area. And after we go beyond midnight, they're pretty much out of here with quiet conditions for most, with the exception of that wind. So it's going to be a cool and breezy night along the Highway 2 corridor and points north, a seasonable and breezy evening here in the valley. Tomorrow morning, we start out not far from the 30s up in the far north, but many of us mid 40s to near 50 degrees. And that's how we begin our weekend. Sunny skies, not as gusty will be the winds. They'll still be out of the north, though. And the air mass that's moving in right now as we speak is cooler than what we've had over the last couple of days. So high temperatures will suffer a little bit of a setback. I'm expecting just subtly below average temperatures for your Saturday afternoon and a quiet evening. And our wind speeds will be down from today's gusts near 30, down around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures peaking at 70 in Fargo. We'll be near 70 south, and we'll see a lot of mid-60s along Highway 2 and points north. Beautiful smells in the atmosphere this spring, and Jimmy captured the look of those smells on the trees there in Gonvick, Minnesota. Thank you for uploading your photo. Sunday looks a little warmer, mid-70s return, and we're back to above average by a long shot Monday and Tuesday. Our best chance of showers comes on Tuesday after a toasty day, near 90 once again. And the rest of the week, fast-moving, insignificant showers possible.
You know what we can do this weekend?
What can we do?
Go fishing.